I'm just going to run quickly through the A2K RevTAG split functionality. So I've got a couple of runs of ductwork modelled here, one with some internal lining and one which is just bare ductwork. Got a couple of bits of equipment in the run, and yeah, let's just see where we go with this. So the split functionality is we activate the split tool, and we've got an option in here to determine the finished split length. So that's dependent on the manufacturer and what they're wishing to manufacture as a standard. We've got an option in here to put in a gasket length, but we'll just leave that at 1 for now. And we've got two options here. One is to pick individual elements, or the other is to pick the full run. So we're going to go with the full run. We'll pick from the start of this bare piece of duct to the end here. And what will happen is it'll run through the main run and split each individual duct up. And if I just dimension one of these guys, you'll see that it should be 1400 finish length. Please remember that we're utilising the bin MEPOS standard union here, which is configured so that the finished body length will be 1400. So that's the bare duct. Notice that the run-out branches have been ignored. It will not split the run-out branches, so we can go back to the split tool here and either go and pick the run like so, or we can do the same again and pick the element like so. That's actually a piece of spiral, so we'll ignore that. So there's the splitting tool for some bare duct, and just to show that we've considered internal lining and lagging as well. If I do the same with this internally lined run of ductwork and go to the end here, it's going to run through, and I've actually done the branch as well this time, and it's actually run through to the end of the straight run. So we've got both splitting for internally lined and lagged duct and for bare duct as well.